Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install games from a Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find them on POCO X3 GT. And to do this, let's open our Google Play Store. Right here, if we try to find a Call of Duty or basically most of the games, we'll get the icon, but when we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this problem, we'll need to go back, click on your profile picture, head on to the settings, enter family, then parental controls. Now either disable parental controls entirely with a switch, or select apps and games, insert the PIN code, and increase PG to the 16 or higher. Now when we go back to the Call of Duty, it's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.